Hi friends, welcome to Technical RP. This video we are going to discuss about some of the Python basics, numbers, strings, concatenations. So first of all, we can start about Python interactive cell. Python interactive cell I got installed 3.7.4. This is an integrated development environment IDE for Python. So when you open 3.7.4, so you can directly install Python versions into from Python website. Here you can see when you open Python shell, you can see as 3 lines of type, help, copyright, credits, and for more information. From 3 lines are appeared correct, then your version of installation is right. You can start write your coding. If you want to do any addition in Python, that would be very easy. You can see. So Python is case sensitive. If you do print hello, that would be a welcome under error because P is caps. If I give small, it would work. So you have to be careful in Python with case sensitive. So suppose I want to multiply two numbers, it would give. If you want to subtract, if you want to get the remainder, so that is very easy. Suppose I want number 1 is 2 and number 2 is 4. I want to add number 1 plus number 2. So now I'm going to print this number. Here you can see the value of 6. The same way, you can do your number 1 as 7, number 2 as 9, number 1 minus number 2. Now I'm going to print my number, so it will give you the value. The same way you can raise to power as well. Here you can see I want to raise the power up to. I'm getting as a value as 9. The same way you can get the comparison. The comparison results you will get as true or false. Here you can see my 2 is less than 5. Sorry, it has to be case sensitive. Here you can see 2 less than 5, that is true. 2 greater than 5, it should be false, and it's coming as a false. Now I will give some minus 5 less than 0, true. Minus 5 greater than 0, it should be false. The same way you can see all your pre-algebra skills you want to test with Boolean values. Suppose you want to check 7 not equal to 9, it will be true. Then 7 equal to 9, false. You can see you can get all the Boolean values here. And also in Python giving us a, suppose I want the value of the float. I am giving the number. I want to convert this as a float. Here you can see float of 6.0. The same way I want to convert this as a integer. I have integer 5.000. I want to convert it as an integer, then it will give us a 5. So you can convert your value from float to integer, integer to float, and decimal. So instead of decimal, you can put as a float of 6.0. And when you seeing conversion, you can do one more thing as well, whether you want to check it is integer or float. My 10.0 is, here you can see integer. I want to check whether it is integer or float. I'm checking 10.0 dot is integer. I want to check whether integer or, so I'm forgetting to do bracket is underscore integer. Yes, true. So now I'm giving 10 is float. I'm checking whether it is float or not. Sorry, I'm giving 10 is float. Integer object has no attribute. 10 dot is underscore integer. I'm giving 10.0 dot is, I'm checking as whether integer or float. True. Now I'm giving 10.1 or 10.3. It is integer or float. It is false. 10.0 is integer, that would be true, but 10.3 is not integer. It has given as false. Also here you can see strings If you want to give a simple string and escaped values, not escaped values, double quotes, so everything it would be, we can, and also string concatenation. Here you can see how the I want to concatenate a string happy. Here you can see I want to concatenate two values here. Here I'm seeing here. Here you can see I'm concatenate my first value as a happy, and concatenate with another value day. Now I'm getting happy day. The same way we can concatenate strings as well. And if you have function, suppose you want to check length, okay, uh, suppose name equal to 1 2 3 4 5 is equal to man. Here, sorry, man. Now I want to check the length of name. Here you can see the length has come as 3. I want to check name equal to somewhat numbers. So here I want to check the length of name. You can see this function has given my length of this number is 9. Also here you can see you can concatenate and you can give slice to the all of your values. Here you can see, so I want the value only the second digit. Here you can see I want here only the value of second digit. Here I had done one mistake. Only it's under the bracket. So here you can see the second one is L. I'm getting print value as L. Now I'm going to get fourth value. Fourth is O. Usually how it will calculate, the first person would be h is 0. Now I'm going to show you. I'm going to get the 0th position. Now I'm going to get first position. Here you can see the my first person always taken from E, second person is L, H is always having a 0th position. So in next video we can see dictionaries, type of dictionaries, key and value pairs, so these kind of things. Thanks for watching this, and you can learn easily in Python, and you can integrate through RPA as well as. Thanks guys.